Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Agent Tan from Keystone Property, and today we will be touring a spacious 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms from a well-known developer, Riviera Group. And this project is the last stage complete project from Riviera called Riviera Ocean Drive. Let's go! Riviera Ocean Drive is a brand new project from Riviera. This building is a high-rise building, come with 43 floors in total, over 412 units. And right now I'm on the 40th floor with the 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Really special because this room is unique. It comes with 85.56 square meters of the living space. And as you can see, big balcony. Let's tour inside with me. As you step inside from the balcony, you got the living room here with the 6-seat dining table. Once again, this is a resale unit. But look, the owner take good care of the room here. Next part will be the kitchen area. The kitchen here comes with a really modern design and it's plenty of space for you to prepare your meal. And it also comes with a 2 doors refrigerator here. And this zone you can do as a laundry zone or even make it a little bar here. And this side we got a master bedroom and a second bedroom. Let's check it out on the master bedroom first. The master bedroom comes also with the stunning sea view from Jomtien site. And the bathroom here also big enough, come with his and her sink and the rain shower as well. And next, the second bedroom. On my right hand side, we have a guest toilet here, which you share with the second bedroom. And of course, from the second bedroom, you also can see the beautiful sea view. And for the bathrooms, you can enter 2 ways from here and to here. So it's perfect when you have guests coming into your unit. This 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms unit is located on the 40th floor, which on this floor we have only 6 units only. So it's really privacy and it's corner unit. Riviera Group, they are really well-known developer in Pattaya and they have their style on the facilities. I will show you guys of the facility here and you will be surprised because it comes with so many things to do in here. And it's not so far from the sea. The location is super, just right into the Jomtien 2nd Road. Let's go to see the facility with me. These 2 bedrooms on the 40th floor is give you more privacy because they only have 6 units only on that floor. And I'll put the price down below in the description for you guys. It's sold under foreigner ownership and fully furnished. please contact us Keystone Property for more information. And don't forget to put like and subscribe. Bye bye.